No doubt you've gathered by now the Beatles are back. Their single, Free as a Bird, debuted last night on an ABC special about the Fab Four.
But are there hidden messages in the new song? Our John Norris unravels the musical mystery.
The sounds of a bird's wings, images of four young men from Liverpool, Penny Lane, little piggies, and a lonely woman named Eleanor Rigby. These are the first sounds we've heard from the Beatles in 25 years, long after the drug use, the bitter breakup, and the murder of John Lennon.
It's a big sentimental song.
Cousin Brucey Morrow is a New York DJ who spun Beatles 45s in their heyday. He says the new song wouldn't have made it back then.
If I'd played that song back in 1964, 65, I guarantee you, if I had hit or miss, it would miss.
Free as a Bird is featured on the long-awaited Beatles Anthology 1 album. Stores like Tower Records here in West Beetlewood will start selling it at midnight, and they'll stay open as long as necessary to satisfy the demand. Part of Free as a Bird's lyrics were written by Paul McCartney and George Harrison. They're almost apologetic, mourning a 25-year silent era of separation that ended with this song.
Whatever happened to the life that we once knew?
These people will undoubtedly be among the first in line to buy the Beatles Anthology 1. They're Beatles fans gathered in Atlanta for a convention. Louise Harrison, George's sister, was there. She said, if you're looking for hidden meaning in the new song, forget it.
Everybody's trying to read a funny meaning or a strange meaning into it, you know, and it was just a matter of it rhymed with the line before, you know.
There is a bit of mystery, though. If you listen to the end of Free as a Bird, you can barely understand John Lennon's lyrics. Let's listen. But if you play it backwards, here's what John is saying.
Turned out nice again. Turned out nice again.
Now, I know you watched the special.
Absolutely. It's terrific. Those guys were so big, so important, so special. Speaking of special, another musical...
We'll talk to you later.